Cristiano Ronaldo, born on February 5, 1985, in Funchal, Madeira, Portugal, emerged from humble beginnings to become one of the greatest footballers in the history of the sport. His journey is a tale of determination, talent, and relentless pursuit of excellence. Ronaldo's love for football blossomed at a young age, and by the time he was just 8 years old, he joined the youth academy of the local club, Andorinha. His raw skill caught the eye of Sporting Lisbon, and at 12, he left his family to move to the Portuguese mainland to join the prestigious academy. The separation from his family at such a tender age marked the beginning of Ronaldo's unyielding commitment to his craft. In 2002, at the age of 17, Ronaldo's breakthrough came when he caught the attention of Sir Alex Ferguson, the legendary manager of Manchester United. Ferguson swiftly secured his services, and Ronaldo made an immediate impact in the Premier League. His dazzling dribbles, powerful shots, and incredible work ethic endeared him to the Manchester United faithful. Under Ferguson's guidance, Ronaldo's talent flourished. He played a pivotal role in Manchester United's 3 consecutive Premier League titles from 2007 to 2009. In the 2007-2008 season, Ronaldo's brilliance reached new heights as he scored 42 goals in all competitions and led United to a historic Champions League triumph, defeating Chelsea in a dramatic final. Such success inevitably attracted the attention of Real Madrid, one of the world's footballing giants. In 2009, Ronaldo made a record-breaking transfer to the Spanish club for what was then a world record fee. His stint at Real Madrid was nothing short of extraordinary. Ronaldo's goal-scoring prowess continued to amaze, and he helped Real Madrid secure 4 Champions League titles in 5 seasons. Beyond the accolades, Ronaldo's work ethic and dedication to self-improvement set him apart. His commitment to training, both on and off the pitch, became legendary. He transformed his physique, ensuring he remained at the pinnacle of physical condition. Ronaldo's mantra of "There is no talent here, this is hard work, this is an obsession," became a testament to his relentless pursuit of excellence. In 2018, after 9 remarkable seasons with Real Madrid, Ronaldo embarked on a new challenge. He transferred to Juventus, an Italian powerhouse, where he aimed to conquer yet another top European league. Despite being in his mid-30s, Ronaldo continued to defy age, maintaining his goal-scoring exploits and inspiring a new generation of footballers. Off the pitch, Ronaldo's philanthropy and commitment